Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning into this video. We are here Friday afternoon. I got out of work a little bit early, holiday weekend, and we're gonna start today and we're gonna work on my CR125 and my KX100. They need a couple things. I got a dirt bike trip coming up in a couple weeks, and these need to be the priority right now because I'm racing the CR and I'm planning on bringing the KX with me on this trip. So with the CR, I have an air leak on my power valve, which it's leaking between the shaft and the bearing. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I got a new bearing if I need it and stuff like that. We're also gonna do a top end on it. And then the KX is almost done, except the throttle cable is hanging up when I turn. So I gotta get some more clearance and make sure it's routed the right way. So start off this video with a little bit of different content from the truck. It's just gonna be some time lapse. I won't bore you too much. Nonetheless, let's get to work and start tearing into these dirt bikes, which is where all this stuff started and where I learned all this stuff from. So yeah, going back to the roots for the first part of the video. Alrighty guys, we're picking back up with the next day. My phone ended up running low on the battery yesterday, so I didn't get as much time lapse as I wanted, but I know you guys aren't necessarily here for dirt bike projects anyways. So I'm going to finish this out, and this bike needs to run today. I have all the parts here. It can be accomplished, I can do it, and it needs to run today because like I said, I'm racing it. So that's first order of business. I have the cylinder is on, new piston in there. So we gotta put the head on, hook up the coolant hoses, carburetor, subframe, exhaust. And then the last thing that I need to do is we're gonna get all this stuff bolted back on. I took this off to rebuild the water pump, and that's all rebuilt. And I need to confirm that the power valve is going to work as it should. So I'm going to leave that cover off and run it. But yeah, we'll see how far we can get. I'll throw you some time lapse.
Like goodbyes. Of course you love me now, but give it time. Who knows? You might not be in my life. We never see it coming when we try. Love is blind. You can break the pattern, learn from your mistakes, focus on what matters. You could look for answers, you could even try. a pessimist. I'm indifferent. Oh, damn. We never see it coming when we try. Love is blind. You can break the pattern. Learn from your mistakes. Focus on what matters. Do whatever it takes. You could look for answers. You could even change. But if something isn't meant.